A loose screw on a square D electrical panel's neutral bar led to a cascade of problems, including arcing, damaged wiring, and the destruction of multiple appliances. The root cause was a manufacturing defect, specifically a single, small Phillips head screw securing the neutral bar to the main neutral bar. This screw, when loosened, created a high-resistance connection, leading to arcing and subsequent melting of number 12 and number 14 gauge wires. The resulting voltage fluctuations and electrical noise damaged sensitive electronic devices, including televisions, a microwave oven, boombox radios, and a clock radio. Furthermore, the incident affected the furnace, requiring a service call. It is crucial to contact Square D immediately and file a claim for the extensive damages incurred. This situation underscores the importance of thorough inspection, even when working with reputable brands. Although it is reasonable to expect quality from established manufacturers, verifying the integrity of all connections and components is a necessary precaution. To support the claim, detailed documentation regarding the installation of the new Square D panel is essential. This documentation should include the date of installation, the panel's model number, and any relevant serial numbers. Additionally, any photographs or videos taken during the initial installation or during the troubleshooting process can serve as valuable evidence. Gathering repair invoices for the damaged appliances and the furnace is equally important. These invoices should clearly itemize the damage and the costs associated with the repairs. If replacement of the appliances was necessary, include receipt or other proof of purchase for the new items. To strengthen the claim further, a written statement outlining the sequence of events is highly recommended. This statement should detail the initial installation of the panel, the subsequent reports of flickering lights and arcing, the troubleshooting steps taken, and the discovery of the loose screw. The statement should be signed and dated, and it should be as comprehensive as possible. Engaging a licensed electrical engineer to provide an expert opinion can also bolster the claim. An engineer can assess the damage, identify the root cause of the failure, and provide a written report detailing their findings. This report can serve as compelling evidence in support of the claim. When contacting Square D, be prepared to provide all of the gathered documentation and information. Clearly articulate the nature of the manufacturing defect and the extent of the resulting damage. Request a prompt and thorough investigation of the incident. If Square D denies the claim or offers an inadequate settlement, consider consulting with an attorney specializing in product liability. An attorney can evaluate the case, advise on legal options, and represent the interests in negotiations with Square D or in a court of law. Preventing similar incidents in the future involves implementing a more rigorous inspection process for all electrical equipment, regardless of the manufacturer. This process should include visually inspecting all connections, tightening screws to the manufacturer's specified torque, and performing continuity tests to verify the integrity of the grounding and neutral connections. Investing in a high-quality torque screwdriver can help ensure that screws are tightened to the correct specifications, preventing both over-tightening and under-tightening. Additionally, consider using thermal imaging cameras to identify hotspots in electrical panels and wiring. Hotspots can indicate loose connections or other problems that could lead to arcing and damage. Regular electrical inspections conducted by a qualified electrician are crucial for identifying potential hazards and ensuring the safety of the electrical system. These inspections should include a thorough examination of the electrical panel, wiring, outlets, and other components. The electrician can identify any signs of wear, damage, or loose connections and recommend appropriate repairs or replacements. Furthermore, it's prudent to educate customers about the importance of reporting any electrical problems promptly. Flickering lights, unusual noises, or burning smells can be early warning signs of a serious electrical issue. Prompt reporting can allow for timely intervention, preventing further damage and potential hazards. When working with electrical panels, always follow proper safety procedures. Turn off the main breaker before working on any internal components. Use insulated tools to prevent accidental shocks. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves. If unsure about any aspect of the work, consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. Understanding the function of a neutral bar within an electrical panel is paramount. The neutral bar serves as a critical connection point for the neutral conductors in an electrical system. Its primary function is to provide a safe return path for electrical current, ensuring that the voltage remains balanced across all circuits. When the neutral connection is compromised, as in the case of a loose screw, the voltage can become unstable, leading to a variety of problems. This instability can cause flickering lights, appliance malfunctions, and in severe cases, electrical fires. The importance of a secure and reliable neutral connection cannot be overstated. It is a fundamental safety requirement for all electrical installations. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including specific requirements for grounding and bonding. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The NEC Article 250 covers grounding and bonding requirements, and it provides detailed information on the proper installation and maintenance of grounding and bonding conductors. It is crucial to consult the NEC and other relevant standards when performing electrical work. Continuing education is also vital for staying up to date on the latest electrical codes and safety practices. Attending workshops, seminars, and online courses can help electricians and other electrical professionals enhance their knowledge and skills. This ongoing learning is essential for providing safe and reliable electrical services. The incident with the square D panel serves as a reminder of the importance of vigilance and attention to detail in electrical work. Even seemingly minor defects can have significant consequences. By implementing a rigorous inspection process, following proper safety procedures, and staying informed about the latest electrical codes and practices, it is possible to minimize the risk of electrical failures and ensure the safety of homes and businesses. Moreover, documenting every step of the installation process, including photographs and detailed notes, is essential for protecting yourself and your customers. In the event of a problem, this documentation can serve as valuable evidence to support a claim or defend against liability.